We don't worry about food shortage around here. DIY, easy build chicken coops. Easy build, easy move. We move these chickens daily. It's like they free ranging in their own protected little area. Yeah.
30 hertz straight up.
Bugs not drugs is the way to go. They eat everything that you got left over, don't you know? They be grubbing, ugging, they some hungry little birds. And they the best that you ever gonna see. That's right. The best eggs, the best meat. Bug fed, fresh grass. They all about eating that good stuff. Ha ha, yeah. Check us out. Raw diet all day, baby. That's right. Peace.